Geeta brought 2 liters and 250 ml of water in a bottle. Her friend drank 300 ml from it. How much of water is remaining in the bottle? Okay, question. Okay, see the sum. So, if in the word problem, first of all, you should read the question carefully and understand the meaning. Only two messages in it. First one, what was given, and next one, what need to find the answer. Okay, what need to find out. So in this sum, how do you do the sum now? See this. Instead of Geeta, you should put your name. So in a bottle, 2 liter, 250 ml of water in the bottle. So your friend drank 300 ml from it. So how much water is remaining in the bottle? That's what you're asking. So remaining means, what was the operation will come in arithmetic? Yes, subtraction. So remaining means we need to do the subtraction and find out the answer. So what is given? So what was the total capacity of the bottle? Yes. So total capacity of a bottle or water bottle, what it is, equal to 2 liter into 250 ml. 2 liter, 250 ml. How much your friend, first 2 liter here, see, so how much your friend drank? 300 ml. 300 ml means you need to, if I already told you, if you need to add or subtract, whatever it is, you should, if the units are same, we can add and subtract. So here liter and 250 ml are given. So first of all, you need to change as to liter to milliliter. Okay. So 1 liter equal to how many milliliter? What was the rule? 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So therefore, 2 liter equal to 2000 plus 250 ml. 2000 to 250 ml means 2250 ml. Okay. So if they given in liter means you change as to milliliter. So how much, what was the, your friend, how much she drank? 300 ml. So water consumed means what? Drink. Consumed by her friend. No need to write to consumed by her friend. Okay. Friend equal to 300 ml. 300 ml. So what was the remaining? Subtraction. 0, 0, minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5. Here 2, here is 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. So you take borrow, it become 12 and become 1. So 12 minus 3, yes, 9. Here 1. 1950 ml. So is the remaining, what it is? 1950 ml. 1950 ml means, what is the actual answer? 1000 means 1 liter. 1 liter 950 ml is the answer. So answer is 1 liter 950 ml is the answer. Okay. Okay, children. Let us see. Tenmodi's height is 1.25 meter now. 1.25 means 1 meter 25 centimeter. So here meter is a large one, so they put m. Okay. So 1.25 meter means 1 meter 25 centimeter. Now she grows 5 centimeter every year. So this is a given one. What are you asking? What would be her height after 6 years? Okay, children. So Tenmari height, now present height is what? 1.25 meter. Now that is her present height. See, every year you are also growing, isn't it? Still you are growing. So every year how much she grows? 5 centimeter for every year. So after 6 years means first year 5 centimeter, second year means 5 plus 5 10 centimeter. So 6 year means what was the short form of addition? 5 6 are, that is you just multiply the number. 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30 centimeter. Okay. So 1.25 meter plus 30 centimeter. What is the answer will come? 1.55 centimeter. So that is the answer. So now we are going to write in word. First, you should put solution. Shortly I put solute. Okay, first present age of Tenmozhi. What ma? How much? 1.25 meter. Okay. So rate of her growth per year. Rate of her growth per year. So every year how much she growed? Yeah, 5 centimeter. So therefore the growth in per means 1. So again 6 year is equal to 6 years. 6 year equal to 5 6 are 30 centimeter. 5 6 are 30. So after 6 years she grows up to 30 centimeter. So therefore after 6 years, 6 years after, her height is how much? Already at present what is her height? 1.25 plus 30 centimeter. So that means you should add centimeter with the centimeter. So 1.25, so it's a meter, this is a centimeter. 0.30 centimeter. So if you add it, what will come? 1.55 centimeter is the answer. 1.55 centimeter is the answer. Already I told you, when you add and subtract, you should put the number according to the units. Okay, digits, you should see the digits and the units, everything you have to see and put evenly, then do the sum. Okay, so here the present height of Tenmozhi is 1.25 centimeter meter. Her growth per every year she grow 5 centimeter. So after 6 years, what was the height? So she increased 30 centimeter. Increase means it will increase means what? Add. Her height will add up to 30 centimeter. So after 6 years, her height is what? 1.25 plus 30 centimeter. So total answer is 1.55 centimeters. So 55 meter. 55 meter. Because here meter is a bigger one. So you should put meter. But when you read it, 1.55. 1 meter, 5 centimeter, 55 centimeter. That's the answer. Okay. Let's see the next one. Priya bought 22 of kilogram of onion. Krishna bought 18 3/4 kilogram of onion. And Sethu bought 9 kilogram 250 gram of onion. What is the total weight of onion did they buy? Children, Already I gave 2 sums as homework. This is the third one. So I am going to explain how to do the sums. After that, you put and send it to me. Okay. So all are onion only. Here, so first of all, what are given? Priya bought onion, Krishna also bought onion, Sedu also bought onion. So what is asked? Total weight means what was the operation we have to do it now? Yes, in arithmetic addition. Okay. So we need to add all the numbers. That's all, addition only. So, but here some twists are here. Half 3/4. Half 3/4 means already know it in our day-to-day life. We use that only. Half kilogram means what? Half means 500 gram. Okay. Quarter means in half. What is a quarter of half? 250 gram. Okay. So 3/4 gram is half plus quarter, 750 gram. That's okay. So this is the homework question. Homework number 3. So first of all, you should write Krishna bought 22 half kilogram is 22.500 gram. Okay. So next 18 3/4 means 18 kilogram 750 gram. Then you put Sedu bought 9 kilogram 250 gram. Okay, first of all, according to the units, you should arrange it first, then add it and find the answer. So this is the homework question. Okay, do it well. Let's see the next one. For 10th sum, Maran walks 1.5 kilometer every day to reach the school, while Mahiran, Mahizhan, Mahiran walks 1400 meter. Who walks more distance and by how much? So here what is given? Maran and Mahiran both are walk to school. So how much distance he covered? 1.5 kilometer, and he walks 1400 meter. So who walks more? That's what they are asking. That means who walks more means this is the subtraction sum. So first of all, you put the solution. So the distance Maran walks. How much he walks? Maran 1.5 kilometer. 1.5 means, so 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 1000 plus 500 meter. 1.5 means 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So therefore 1000 plus 5 means 500 meter. 500 meter. Totally 500 meter. So 1500 meter. Okay. Next, the distance. That is my hand walk. How much he works? 1400 meter. So if you subtract means what was the remainder? 100 meter. So who walks more, ma? Yeah, Maran walks more. How much? 100 meter. So answer is Maran walks more. How much, ma? So he walked 100, more than 100 meter. If we compare to Magiran, more than 100 meter. That's the answer. See the next one. So the distance, so here which Maran walks 1.5 kilometer. The distance which Magiran walks 1400 meter. First we convert 1.5 kilometer into meter. So how many meter? 1500 meter. Then Magiran walk 1400 meter. So what was the remaining? 100. It's a subtraction sum. So Maran, who walks more? Maran walks more. How much? 100 meter is the answer. Let's see the next one. The 11th one. In a JRC one-day camp. So in our school also JRC groups are there, isn't it? So in a JRC one-day camp, 150 gram of rice and 15 ml oil are needed for a student. So this is given. If there are 40 students to attend the camp, how much of rice and oil are needed? So per student we need how many for one day camp? In a one day camp, how much rice they need for one boy or one student? 150 gram rice and 50 ml oil means for 40 students means what? That was they asking. So here say if they one and give one and ask many means that is multiplication. So you need to find the multiply first. So what is the answer first? Rice needed for a student. A student is 1. A student equal to how much rice we need? 150 gram. GM means 150 grams. Therefore, rice needed for 40 students means multiply. So 150 into 40. 150 into 40. What is the answer? 0. First I already told you how to multiply. 0 into 0. 2 0 will come. Okay. 0 into 0. Next 4 5s are. See. See. 0 into 0. First 4. Just if you given like the number 10's form given means first you add 1 0 with the answer, then multiply with the number with all the what are given. 0 4s are 0. 5 4s are 20. Carrying 2. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6000 gram. 6000 gram means 1 gram 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So totally 6 kilogram. So for 40 students, how much rice we needed? 6 kilogram for 40 students. So at the same time, oil needed for a student equal to 15 ml. For 40 students, so 40 students equal to 15 into 40 ml. 15 into 40, what does come? First you put 0, 4, 5s are 20, carrying 2, 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 600 ml. So how much oil they need? 600 ml they need. Separately you should find out how much rice and how much oil. So for 40 students, we need 6 kilogram oil, 6 kilogram rice. That means 6,000 gram is 6 kilogram. For oil, for 40 students, 600 ml we need. Okay, let us see the next one. Okay children, let us see the next one. 12th sum. In a school, 200 liters of lemon juice is prepared. If 250 ml lemon juice is given to each student, how many students get the juice? Okay, so here total quantity of lemon juice given, and each student, how many students? Each student get 250 ml means how many? So if they are asking, like if they given total and each means total and each means that is division. So this is the clue for the sums. Okay, first you read the questions carefully, understand the meaning. So they given total given, and then one also for each also the given means. So we need to find we need to find the answer through the division. Okay, the first one solution. So if the given in the capacity is a liter means you put quantity. Okay, so total quantity of juice prepared. Juice is equal to what? 200 liter. 200 liters. Okay. So next, quantity of lemon juice, and juice only you put juice, no need to write so much. So quantity of juice given to a student, given to one student. One student how much can get? To student given to one student equal to how much? 250 ml. So already told, if units are same means we can add, subtract, multiply and divide. But see here liter, here ml. So we cannot change milliliter to liter because it is small, so small. But we can change liter to milliliter. So 1 liter equal to how many ml? Yes, 1000 ml. So therefore 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Therefore 200 liter equal to 200 into 1000. Yes, how many zeros are here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. So 2 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 lakhs milliliter. So you first of all change the liter into ml. 2 lakhs. Okay. So next, so therefore what they are asking, how many students can get the juice? Therefore total number of students can get the juice equal to, how to find out the answer? Total quantity of juice divided by each. So total quantity how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2000 ml divided by 250 ml. Okay, 0, 0 cancel. By 5 table, you just cancel it. How many 5s will come? 5 5s are 25. Here, first take 20. How many 5s are there in 20? 4 5s are. 4 5s are 20. Then 1 2 3 3 0 0 0 0 0 0 5s are 0. So 4000 by 5. Again we need to divide it. So 4000 by 5 means again say same 5 table 800 will come. So 800 students can get the juice. Totally 800 students will get the juice. Okay, that is the answer. First of all, I told it the total quantity given and each how much juice we each they will get. That's also given, means you should divide the sums. First of all, change the liter to milliliter, then divide it. So what's the answer? 800 students is the answer. Next see one, 13th one. How many glasses of the given capacity will fill a 2 liter jug? So this is the homework sum, fourth homework. So what is the homework sum? Homework number 4. Homework number 4th one, homework sum. So I am going to explain how to do the sums. So see, if you take a 2 liter of jug, so what is the capacity of jug? 2 liter jug. Now we are going to take different measurement of any vessels. You just take it. 100 ml means how many vessels, how many times you will pour the water into the jug and fill it. That's what he is asking. So 100 ml measure jug means 50 ml means 500 ml means 1 liter means 250 ml means, that's what he is asking. So how many glasses? So if you take 100 ml glasses means how many glasses we need to fill the jug. If it is a 2 liter jug means. So first of all, as usual, I already told no. First you change to liter into, if they are asking ml means change this to ml and divide it and find out the liter number of the glasses. Okay. Next ml means, so liter to ml find out, set the rule first, then divide it and find the answer. The ml means liter to ml, liter to liter. So 1 liter means, so 1 liter can means how many times we will pour it? 1 time, 2 times. So we need 2 glasses. So 250 ml means as usual. So ml into liter, we set the rule and divide it and find the glasses. Okay, this is the 4th sum. This has a homework sum. Okay.